Hello all, and welcome to another video in the piano course, piano MIDI course. This is Cody Wyman, your instructor again. In this video, we are going to discuss white notes versus black. First video is going to be more information on white notes. White notes are all of these natural notes that have no accidentals at all. And you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 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 A, B, C, and so on. And the topmost C is this one up here. Bottommost A, that one right there. So that's the whole keyboard. A big, long minor third. If you take away the octaves that the distance has. So, all of these notes are what are called natural notes, and modes, the actual beginning precursor to scales, were based on those white notes alone. So you had, I think it's Ionian, then you had Dorian, D to D, Phrygian, Lydian, Mixolydian, and then Aeolian, and then Locrian, B to B. So in some of my other courses I talk about the modes more extensively, but the modes are what set up the precursors to the Western scales that we know of today. And these modes were made up of purely white notes, purely natural notes. But there's also a important note on how to find separate white notes. You have to use the black notes as your anchor to sometimes find the white notes. For instance, you go down below these two, just to the left of those two you'll find C. In between those two black notes you'll find D, and then just outside those group of two black notes you'll find E. And then you have groups of three blacks. And F is just outside of one of the three. G is the second one, that's a natural note that's between two blacks. A is the next one in the set. And B is right outside the set of three black notes. So there's groups of two blacks and three blacks, and we use those blacks as anchors to try and find the white keys at some point. But the white keys are all the natural notes that we use without any accidentals. In the next video, we'll be going over all the black notes and their importance, so stay tuned.